here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it? Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car.
No, don't
yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am. Step out.
I'm not stepping out. I'm not
step
stepping
out.
out of nothing.
Step
Get your
out.
fucking hand off me.
Get
your hand off me. Get your hand off me. I will step out when the supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
Nothing.
Ma'am.
Get your hand off me.
Tanisha.
Get your hand off me.
I'm not letting go.
You littered. You dropped the ticket, not me.
I put the ticket in the car.
You dropped the
because
ticket,
that's your
not
copy.
me. You dropped the ticket, not me. Get your hands off me.
Take the ticket and go.
Me. Give me the ticket. You're touching me forcibly. You're holding me too tight, and you're being out of line.
You are resisting.
Y'all see this, right?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Stop.
Can she just get the ticket?
No, you stop. Why are you holding my arm like
because
this?
I gave you the ticket.
No, you
then
did
you
not.
proceeded to throw it.
The ticket,
I
not
put it
me.
in your car.
I told you I did
and
not
you
want it.
proceeded to throw it out of the car.
You dropped it. You're doing too much. I'm not afraid of you. Get
That's
your hand
fine.
off of
but
me.
I've asked you to step out of the car.
Forcibly for no reason.
Because you,
ticket.
we're past that.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car, littering.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
You're under arrest.
No, when
yes, ma'am.
When your colonel gets here,
no, we are beyond that.
Step out.
Step
I'm
out.
not getting out of the car. I'm
I'm
with my child, and I'm not.
I understand
doing
you're with
Call
your child.
Right now.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
Step out of the car.
I'll step out when another. I'm stepping out of the car.
You need to
Call
step
your
out of the
colonel
car.
And I will get out of the car.
This is resisting arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Because you're not answering my order. Littering.
What am I under arrest for? I didn't litter. You did
threw
that.
the ticket out the window.
No, I did not. You did that. You did that. It's all on camera.
You're
so
correct.
When your colonel gets here, then I will step out.
Wait, please stop. Please stop.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
How am I going to roll over?
Roll over. Lower to the left. Pull your hand up. All you had to do is take the ticket and leave.
Welcome back to another edition of All Things Driving. If you are new to the show, it's your host, Rashid White. All right, let's get into it. You guys see the title of today's show, and you also see the graphics, the basically the thumbnail pretty much. Woman gets pulled over. She was doing 40 and a 25, I'm sorry. And police pulls her over, and things quickly escalate. And a lot of people are really blaming the woman for it, but I think the officer is really merely actually responsible for this whole thing getting out of control. Let's get into the video. Let's not waste any time.
When we first brought you this story, Hurst PD at the time said that the viral clip lacked context. Well, today the department released body cam video from this incident that they say now gives that context. Our Bo Evans sat down with a law enforcement expert to take a look at the actions of everyone involved.
All right, here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it? Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car.
This is the moment a normal traffic stop escalated into something more.
I think where he went south in this particular case is when he tosses the ticket inside the car because she's refusing to take it.
Video shows Tanisha Thompson refusing to accept her ticket for speeding in a school zone. Then the officer drops it in her lap and she throws it back out the window.
All right, so if you actually watch the original video, I mean, she was definitely rude to this police officer from the very beginning. Not really happy about getting pulled over for speeding. Now, a defense that she could have used, and I wouldn't actually directly admit this to the officer, you know, like say, hey, I was speeding. But, you know, it's a new car that she actually purchased. It's an electric car. It's a Tesla. You know, we know how fast those cars are in terms of the actual acceleration. I'm coming from an old gas power car. Now I'm getting an electric car. There's an adjustment. And more than likely, if you tell that to a judge, he should believe you and automatically dismiss the ticket. If you have to go to court, if he does give you a ticket, and I just believe if she was just nice to this police officer from the very beginning, show some femininity, not masculinity, she wouldn't be in this type of situation. And I think more than likely the officer could have gave her a warning, but don't admit to speeding just in case you actually do get the citation.
So he tosses it inside. She sees that as an act of disrespect. And so she grabs the ticket and throws it outside the window, which at that point, it becomes another offense.
Alex Del Carmen is a criminologist who has trained thousands of police officers. He says while the video shows Thompson littering, the officer has a choice.
He could easily have given her a ticket for that, another ticket. He could have stepped away and just ignored it and moved on. Or he could have said, look, you know, you're stepping out of the car because I'm going to take you to jail.
Officer Morgan chose another option.
Yes, ma'am. Step out.
I'm not stepping
Step out.
I'm not getting caught. Yes,
Step out.
I'm not.
When Thompson refused the order to get out of her car, Del Carmen says the officer had to escalate.
He has given her a direct order, and she refuses to comply. And so at that point, then, he needs to engage in some sort of use of force.
Hurst PD stands by the officer's actions, saying they shared the body cam footage to, quote, clear up misconceptions and be fully transparent with our community members. CBS News Texas reached out to Thompson's attorney for comment on the new video, but we haven't heard back. Last week, he told us this level of force was intended to send a message.
The message that this kind of arrest and brutality sends to the community is that if you don't respect a police officer, if you don't show them deference, if you don't kowtow to them, then they will brutalize you with impunity.
Del Carmen says while the officer was within his authority to act, he thinks discretion would have helped the situation.
Yeah, I don't know if that was the police chief or her attorney, but that's just the wrong message to actually send. You know, I get it. You do want the police officers to be respected, but like we know for the most part, there's a media blitz out there to make these police officers look like they're the bad guys out there. I mean, this has been happening for the last 3 to 4 something years, 5 something years. And what the police officers should understand is just kill her with kindness. Let it go. Say, hey, even though, you know, and listen, she was rude the whole time, but what you could do is be the bigger person and say, hey, you know what? I'm going to let you off with a warning right now. Just please slow down. And she still may be rude, but like I promise you, let's say another day or 2 days later is going to hit her. Hey, I was really speeding. I guess all police officers are really not this bad at all because people, you know, are easily programmable. You know, we see the media out there saying all these cops are bad and they totally exacerbate, you know, certain situations out there and you know, make it worse, something simple, or even when the officer is actually in the right, they'll, you know, make it worse and exacerbate the actual whatever situation it is. I can give you a whole bunch of different examples of it. And the best way is to show this woman over here that, you know, like, listen, I'm not going to give you a ticket or anything like that. And she would realize that, wow, not all police officers are actually really bad. And this actually really breaks the spell right here, man. But now, this woman over here is going to really think that all police officers is bad. And if you're this woman, man, just comply with the actual officers, because we've seen other videos where mistakes actually happened and this woman gets, like, let's say she gets yanked out of the car and she falls, she hits her head or she breaks her neck and now she's in a wheelchair, she could possibly die. So you don't want to be put in these type of situations or anything like that, man. Just comply with the officers.
And then at that point, he has a reason to either cite her again or reason to even go as far as arresting her if he chooses to do that. But, you know, the other option of giving her a citation or even walking away from it would have been something that probably I would have recommended to most officers.
Bo Evans.
Yeah, I mean, and definitely the officer's ego, you could tell if you actually watch the original video. I mean, especially when he threw the ticket at her, just let it go, man. It's not worth it, dude. It's not. And I believe this officer is like, both of these people are actually in the wrong. The officer, and let's look at littering, because like what he arrested her for was littering and throwing the ticket, you know, on the ground. And let's see what the littering is. It says in Hurst, Texas, and throughout the state, littering is classified as a misdemeanor offense under the Texas Litter Abatement Act. The maximum penalties vary based on the amount of litter and whether it's a first or repeat offense. So more than likely, it's going to be in a first offense. $500 for less than 5 pounds. So a lot of this stuff isn't an arrestable offense or anything like that, especially something as a traffic ticket being thrown on the ground is not something that really warrants an arrest, man, especially something that's a misdemeanor. Now, if you're like a big corporation and you're into like dumping and things like that, okay, yeah, like 500 pounds. Yeah, and this is like it's exactly illegal dumping. 5 pounds over to 500 pounds. That's something right there you can arrest someone over, and like 1 year in jail. But like over a traffic ticket, come on, man. I mean, this is all ego driven. A lot of things could have went wrong, and the officer should have walked away from this, man, and just be the bigger person. Kill them with kindness. Break the spell. All right, so definitely like, comment, subscribe, and certainly share this video. When you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.